got no gas.
It's not supposed to do that.
Really?
So, I didn't fix it. New intake gasket. Make sure it ain't the... Here's the thing. Ran perfect just a minute ago. Did 50... how much?
3.
53. Well, it was on the stand, and then we take it to the road. Only 30.
Yeah.
Well, if I can get my hand on it. So unless we found another spark plug on accident. All right, baby. Say the slogan.
I don't know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it.
Legit, it doesn't have any gas. I gave it some beans, and then yeah, it didn't do anything. So that might explain why we're not getting full potential. So I'm gonna make the walk back. She's gonna stay here because it takes. Oh,
Get that spider. Get that. Get that. Get that.
it's not on you. It flew off the side. But here's the issue. I think Pawpaw's been using up all my 87 non-ethanol and 93 non-ethanol. So we may actually be like, because I think the only thing I got left is 100, which is race gas, which would not work with this engine because it would like destroy the time. Oh my god.
And do it.
Go back and do it. Here, you want it? You want to show the people what we had to do? So the fuel lines were really itty bitty on this thing. That's why they told you to upgrade them, which I did do to this. But there's an issue. The issue why they're so small and why their issue is because they won't put fuel out when it's at like at first start or hasn't been started all season or something like that. So no pressure in the fuel line pretty much. So what I had to do, I contracted a kid into some slavery to run and get us some gas. Shout out to the Miller's boy for bringing it in the V8 bottle. Who knows if it's the right ethanol and all that, but who cares? But since there wasn't any pressure in this, she freaked out, and I said, I want to do something. It's going to be weird. So she went and started it. I bent over on the swing arm. I'm on the swing arm. By the way, this thing, the only way it'll start and drive is if we put it in drive. So, of course, when it started and it got a burst of fuel, it decided to move. So I leaned over, blew into the tank, full put on, blew into it, started right up, jumped up to, I'm going to go ahead and guess, like 1,000 to 1,500 RPMs, started moving, and then I jump in, on the swing arm, slide into this thing, get in, spread eagle, jumped in, gave it some gas. She started controlling it with the steering wheel as I'm sitting here trying to turn the cap in. So, great success, I guess. So let's fill her up and see if that actually gives us some more oomph. Part 2. Hopefully this time we don't run out of gas. I don't know if he gave us 87 or what. So, but I used the 93 non-ethanol. Papa had that left. So, he was using up on my 87 non-ethanol. We did a pull and we went down a hill and it's still idling. That's better than what we did. Faster than when it did last time, right?
Yeah.
It probably doesn't have that high speed. It's one of the weight, two, of that spring we put on it. Oh, fuck. That's where the car was sitting on it.
Turn signal off.
Alright. Oh, we about made it. So something tells me I need to adjust the idle.
Yeah.
up the idle a bit.
Your dad's calling you.
Okay. Oh, there goes my something. Do the wide.
I'm videoing, so you can talk.
Okay. I think I sent it a little too hard. I don't know what fell out of my back pocket.
Hell, I don't know.
Alright. Alright, get down.
Oh, shiz.
What?
Our headlights are cracked.
Are they?
Wait.
No.
No, they're.
Alright.
Oh.
At least, well, I see where I've been ripping that a little too hard. Alright. Hopefully that wheel won't bend. That's why I'm scared about wheels bending. Because they ain't cheap. Watch out.
Wait, let me help you.
Okay, we are doing some damage report. I'm hurting really bad. Intake boots off, but yeah, so that's my side. So I would have been driving. You see how much that bent in. And then this is the passenger side, the side that we were laying on. I'm gonna have to go get some piping, ain't I? And fix that.
Get it from the back, like the
Yeah.
front, so you can see both.
Because you can see where the top is bent in.
There.
And yeah. Damn. We had it one day fixed, and I flipped it. One day fix, and I already fucked up. Damn it. That's that side. That side. Warped. I was driving, hurting now. So now I gotta fix all that.
Got a free camber though.
Maybe. Maybe. I hope not.
Oh, brother.
Not good.
What?